you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. As you guys already read by the title, today's video is going to be a review on the newly launched Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. As soon as Mamaearth started to launch their makeup products, starting with the kajal, then the lip serums and lipsticks and all of those things, I knew that Mamaearth will be launching their base products like soon. So I was super excited, and when I heard that Mamaearth has finally launched their foundation, I was like, yay! So I have total 3 shades with me, which I will be swatching later on the video, as well as I will be sharing in-depth review of this foundation. So if you guys are interested to know more about this foundation, then please continue watching. Before we get started, let me quickly give you guys a brief on Mamaearth brand. I think I mentioned this on all my videos, but in case you are new here, then I think that this part will help you. Now, Mamaearth is an Indian brand, and their products are cruelty-free, vegan, toxicity-free, and free from harmful chemicals. If you wish, you can use my coupon code, which I'm mentioning over here, and you can get 20% off at mamaearth.in by applying this code. Apart from that, Mamaearth is available on Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, and obviously mamaearth.in. Let's proceed to the foundations. Now, this product comes in this cardboard package which says Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation with vitamin C and turmeric. Now, the brand claims that it will provide you 2x instant glow. It's made safe, and it will be lasting you for 12 hours. And that's how the actual product looks like. It comes in this frosted glass bottle which feels quite heavy, and it comes with a pump, which is really appreciating. At the bottom you will get the shade number as well as the shade name. Now, this foundation retails for rupees 599 for 30 ml of product, which is decent. You will get total 7 different shades in this range. Apart from the staying power and the glow factor, it's mentioned that it will provide you perfect coverage, and it's suited for all Indian skin tone, and it's dermatologically tested. Now, when I heard that it's a glow serum, I knew that it will be providing me that glowy effect. It will be hydrating, and it will not create any kind of patchiness on my skin. Now, this foundation is enriched with vitamin C, which visibly brightens our skin, and also turmeric. Now, turmeric is a great antioxidant. Now, you guys can understand that you will get all the skincare benefits in this little bottle right here. Now, let's see the application, and I will be swatching all the 3 shades that I have with you guys. So yeah, let's go. So the first shade that I have is the 04 Sand Glow, which has cool tone to it, and this color is quite light on my skin. Then I have the shade 06 Almond Glow, which is a neutral tone, I would say. So yeah, that's what the 06 Almond Glow looks like on my skin. Lastly, we have the shade 07 Toffee Glow, which is my exact skin tone match, and it's more on the warm tone side. Now, coming to the application, I will be using a beauty blender and a makeup brush to see how this foundation works with a beauty blender and a makeup brush. First, I will be using a damp beauty blender to blend out the product, and that's what the first layer looks like. Now, I have a really big pimple on my cheek. You guys can see that वो hide हो चुकी है, almost hide हो चुकी है, and it's providing me that healthy glow. I mean, result आप लोगों के सामने ही है. इस वाली पोर्शन पे कोई भी फाउंडेशन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. एंड ऑन दिस साइड आई हैव दी Mamaearth ग्लो सीरम फाउंडेशन, एंड आप लोग खुद से वो डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो. जस्ट टू शो यू गाइज द बिफोर एंड आफ्टर लुक, मैंने इस साइड पे फाउंडेशन अप्लाई नहीं की है, एंड रिजल्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइज. नाउ लेट मी यूज अ फ्लैट टॉप फाउंडेशन ब्रश टू सी हाउ इट वर्क्स विद अ फाउंडेशन ब्रश. फॉर द फाउंडेशन ब्रश आई हैव टू मेंशन दैट इट्स लिविंग स्ट्रोबिंग लाइन्स. तो अच्छे से उसको ब्लेंड करने के बाद आई हैव टू यूज अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जस्ट टू इंश्योर कि कोई भी स्ट्रोबिंग लाइन्स ना रह जाए. बट ब्रश वाली साइड पर ज़्यादा कवरेज है कंपेयरिंग टू द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर वन. And you guys can see that how healthy and glowy my skin is looking. This foundation looks so natural, like look at my face. As it's a serum foundation, I would suggest try to use beauty blender. You can use a brush, but I personally prefer beauty blenders with this kind of foundations. Now, the consistency of this product is medium. It's not so thin or like not so thick. It's perfect. Definitely the coverage is buildable. If you wish, you can keep it medium, sheer, or full coverage, whatever you prefer. And I love the formulation because it's providing me that glowing, that what should I say, illuminating effect, which I absolutely love. I'm kind of a person who always prefer dewy bases. As you guys know, that's why I totally love this foundation. It did oxidize a little bit on my skin, but that's okay because it's not overpowering, as you guys can see in the video. It's not exaggerating my pores, and also I didn't break out after using this one. So yeah, I would highly recommend this foundation to you guys. In case you have dry skin, then it's a must have for you. If you have oily skin, आप तब भी इसको use कर सकते हो, but in that case you have to set your foundation properly. In case you are in hurry, then you can blend this foundation with your fingertip as well, which is quite impressive because I have tried it on myself, and that's why I'm saying you can blend this foundation with your fingertip as well. I'm not even kidding. Get your hands on this foundation and try it, and then let me know. With that, we completed today's video. I really hope आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. I will be providing the buying links on my description box, so please check out from there. And in case you don't know, Mohammed has taken a great initiative where they will be planting a tree each time you buy from their website. So yep, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.